Today I'll be unboxing this Black+Decker Dustbuster QuickClean. It's a very cheap handheld vacuum that cost around $20 US. I got mine at Walmart, but I know that you can get it on Amazon too, so I will put a link in the description down below. So let's get started. So the first thing, when you open the box, you get the website here of Black+Decker if you need to order other filters. Then when you open the box, you got the handle here of the vacuum itself. It's wrapped in plastic, nothing special. I'll put it aside and come back to it in a few seconds. Let's see what else is included. That's the owner's manual. Nothing really interesting inside, honestly. Mostly warnings. Then you have to remove this cardboard piece of the box, and right there is the charger. The charger has this Black+Decker special connection here, and I will show you just in a few seconds how to connect it. So let's put this aside and check the vacuum itself. Here we go. So the first thing I'm noticing here is that there is already some scratches, even if it's brand new. I know it's a bit weird, maybe the quality control is not 100% there. I mean, it doesn't bother me too much at this price point, but it's just funny to see a scratch product like this. Otherwise, you can see everything is made of plastic. It feels solid, but also light. The battery is already charged. And as you can see, you really need to push the button to turn the vacuum on, and it doesn't stay on. You really need to keep your finger pressed on that button. Otherwise, there's this empty button to open the plastic bin here where all the dust goes. Pretty standard. Here we have also the filter. The filter here, you can clean it yourself. You don't need to buy one every time it gets clogged. And the rest of the bin here. Nothing interesting. If we take a look at the rest of the vacuum, on this side pretty clean. There's no button, nothing. This model doesn't have any spinning brush or any brush at all. It's just pure plastic there. And on the back here we have the charging port where you'll need to use the provided cable here, and to connect it you just have to insert it this way and press a bit until it connects. I'm actually planning to do a full review on this unit, so stay tuned. It will probably take a week for me to test it out, but just for the moment